I'm Lloyd Chapman, President founder of the American Small Business League, and we're here today in the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals in San Francisco. The court's going to hear a case we won against the Pentagon about a year and a half ago. The court directed the Pentagon to release to us the small business subcontract report submitted by Sikorsky to the Pentagon's Comprehensive Subcontracting Plan Test Program. And that program was adopted 25 years ago. It had two provisions: the elimination of all transparency on the Pentagon's largest prime contractors on their small business subcontract reports, and the elimination of any penalties for noncompliance. And the Pentagon has been testing that program now for 27 years to see if that's going to increase opportunities for small businesses. So we think that when we win this case and the information is released, it'll show the Pentagon has allowed their prime contractors to cheat small businesses out of hundreds of billions of dollars. And I think the most important thing is it's going to show that the Pentagon has allowed their largest prime contractors to report awards to their own subsidiaries and divisions as small business awards. And I think we're going to win this case, and we'll find out. All right, we just came out of the Ninth Circuit case, listening to the Pentagon and Sikorsky's lawyers. And Sikorsky was so desperate to try to withhold these documents, they claimed that if their competitors found out how they recruited small businesses, that would cause huge competitive harm, which is laughable. But the thing that I think about is, if we lose, that means the American people don't get to see how trillions of dollars of their tax dollars have been spent over the last 27 years. And it will mean that there's a complete lack of transparency in any prime contractor that participates in the Comprehensive Subcontracting Plan Test Program. And of course, that's why they adopted it. And why they want to remove transparency on whether these companies hit their small business subcontracting goals, because they're doing a great job of small businesses? No, because they're violating the law, they're cheating small businesses, they're not complying with the Small Business Act. So it'll be interesting to see what happens. We don't know when we'll find out. I think it'll be within a week. But again, I think the most important thing is if we lose, it means you don't get to know how your tax dollars are being spent at the Pentagon. And you don't get to know if these companies are complying with the law or not. So I'll be very disappointed if we lose, but we'll continue to file these FOIA cases. We've got another case we're going to be filing in a few days. But we're going to continue our effort under the Freedom of Information Act to try to expose corruption, fraud, the Pentagon, and how they're not complying with the Small Business Act and cheating small businesses.